나머진 바빠 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들 시간만 지나가.
Okay, so I just finished doing my skincare off camera and now I'm gonna apply some sunscreen. So I'm using this sunscreen from Takobo. I heard a lot of good reviews about this sunscreen. Mabango siya guys, and it doesn't have those strong smell of sunscreen. So super lightweight na lang din guys. Parang wala akong nilagay sa face, but it's giving that glow. Ayan, 5 minutes makeup look lang to guys, and it's very simple, very clean, fresh lang siya. It's good for senior high school student and college student na mag-F2F na. So this video pala guys is sponsored by eotd. So I'm gonna use their lenses at the end of this video. So nalagay ko na yung contact lens ko, and ito yung milk tea and cream brown. So first I'm gonna use this concealer from Pink Flash, of course. Isa-swatch ko na lang yung ibang products na hindi ko magagamit guys. So for now, I'm gonna use this 01 concealer. So, since lightweight makeup lang naman yung gagawin natin, hindi na ako magpa-foundation. Lalagyan ko lang yung mga spots, guys, na need i-cover. So, hindi ko muna siya iba-blend, guys, kasi ang gagawin natin is yung TikTok trend na magsasabay-sabay mo yung makeup products sa face mo bago mo siya i-blend. So, for my contour, I'm gonna use this HS02.
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna use this Pink Flash na duo lip gloss. Siya lip gloss guys kasi medyo matte siya. Para magmukhang lifted yung ating face, dito ko siya ilalagay. And for my brows, I'm gonna use this Duo Effect Eyebrow Kit ng Pink Flash. Meron siyang pomade guys. And meron din siyang powder dito sa taas. Ayan. May kasama rin siyang spoolie from Pink Flash din. So, yeah. Hindi ko gagamitin yung pomade guys kasi nagamit ko siya usually for eyeliners. So, I'm done with my brows guys. Now, I'm gonna proceed with my eyes naman. Very light lang yung gagawin nating eyeshadow since we're in school. It's from Pink Flash ulit and it's their 3-pan eyeshadow in the shade BR02. Meron pa silang binigay sa akin isa. Ito naman yung RD02. I'm gonna use this flat brush. I'm gonna tap it. So as you can see guys, look at the difference ng aking eyes. So ito, very natural lang yung part na to. And this one, sobrang puti niya. Don't worry guys, huwag kayong mag-worry sa face na nasa face ko kasi baka magtuyo or sprayan ko naman siya so hindi siya mag-dry and mabablend naman natin siya na maayos later. And sinaset ko pa kasi yung concealer sa face so I'm gonna leave that lang muna. So, yeah. Maglalagay lang ako ng sobrang simpleng eyeliner like dito lang sa dulo para mas maging open yung eyes ko. Ito ko siya ilalagay sa bandang dulo.
Yeah.
I'm okay with this na, so hindi ko na siya hahabaan. So, I'm gonna do the other one now off-cam. So, ayan guys, I'm done with my eyeliner. Now, i-blend ko na yung aking nasa face. So, I'm gonna be using this brush from Yastyle. And sobrang ganda ng kanyang pagka-compact ng makeup brush na to. So, sobrang ganda niya mag-blend, guys. So, isprayan ko lang yung face ko ng face mist. So, pati yung brush, guys. And yung aking face. So, para ma-blend siya na maayos, we need a lot of face mist or setting spray. So, yeah, i-blend ko lang siya, guys, ng brush na to. So, yeah. blended na yung area na to. And as you can see, sobrang dewy, fresh lang nung part na to. So ayan, na-blend ko na lahat sa face ko, guys. And I feel like parang kulang pa yung blush ko. So I'm gonna add some more lang, guys. In person, guys, halata na yung blush ko, pero sa camera hindi siya masyadong visible. And iba-blend ko rin pala yung aking nose, guys. I forgot to blend my nose. Pero ayan yung gagamitin kong blush. Very flat lang siya. So as you can see, guys, nagbago yung lighting kasi uulan na, guys, and sobrang dilim na. And yung natural lighting ko is yung bintana ko lang. So sobrang dilim niya na. Hindi na ako mag-lift ng lashes kasi naka-eyelash lift ako. So maglalagay lang ako ng mascara. So yeah, ito yung aking mascara, guys. It's from Heroine Make Long and Curl Mascara. Ito yung pinag-uusapan lagi sa TikTok. So perfect siya for Asian lashes. Yeah. So don't forget to put some highlighter on your nose. So ayan, done na tayo sa face. Maglalagay lang ako ng lipstick. I'm gonna remove this lip product on my lips para malagyan ko siya ng maayos ng lipstick. So I'm gonna use this Duo lipstick ulit na pink flush. And ito yung M01. Ito yung pinkish shade nila. I really like this kind of color ng lipstick. Yung medyo pinkish na nude. Yeah, maglalagay lang ako ng onte dito sa middle part. Yan. Yan. So we're done with our face, and this is the finished look of our 5 minutes fresh and clean makeup look. And you can do this in only 5 minutes, guys. Lalo na kung hindi naman kayo nagsasalita or nagbo-vlog, you can do this in just 5 minutes kasi easy to blend lang siya, guys. And yeah, so I'm gonna try the other lenses na binigay sa akin ng eotd. So I'm gonna show you the other 4 colors. So yeah.